welcome back. It's your boy Dr. No, WPD TV. So last week we looked at the Ryanair racism row. This week we're looking at something that again isn't quite right and needs straightening out. And trust me, this one, bonkers.
You take it, then I don't want to be dealing with
Turn around a bit. The joke.
They all want to take pictures of you, Nick.
Okay.
Nick, where's the ninja?
I don't know what the mini bit is. Like a mum. Oh, she definitely looks like a
That was the firework.
Right, so we go and put him on.
No, you've got to
Nick.
see some.
Nick, you doing it?
Wait for them to get a video.
You're part of this.
I need to
Put it on the two planks though.
They've made me do
You made
it.
the burning people.
Nick, watch out, you're going to fall over them things. I'll kick, crack.
Now that would have been funny.
Bye, everyone.
Wait, you ready, Nick? Hold on, wait, you've got to stick it on top, Dad.
Oh, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Oh, that is so bad.
Bye.
Careful.
Yeah, let's video it then, mate. I think I will move.
Stay in your flat. We are coming to get you.
Dan,
Burn me nuts.
can you go and rob the bottom flats?
Look at him hanging around. Look at him hanging up there.
What's Sarah saying?
Who's jumping?
Here it goes.
No, you're getting told off. Joe, you're getting
I can't hear
robbed.
her.
She's coming. She's coming. Help me! Help me!
Didn't it start from the 10th floor though?
Oh, we should have turned it upside down.
Don't worry, stay in your flat.
Did you hear Bright?
Jump out the window!
Did you hear Bright? Don't worry, stay in your flats.
Some people got some really bad taste.
Yeah, really bad taste.
Oh, look,
There's
it's really
1, 2,
going off
3,
now,
4, 5, 6, 7 of you.
So bad, look, recording it.
Yeah, I think we've definitely got the winner.
I heard that coming, the fire brigade.
Too late. You need more than one. God, the little ninja's getting it at the minute.
That's what happens when they don't pay their rent.
Yeah.
Right, it's definitely going to go. Isn't it?
Oh, here we go. It's going to crumble here.
Oh, it's going to go all over the shop now.
Yeah. It's going to go over and Fish
Flag.
Flag. Fish
Perfect.
Flag's going to get it.
Yeah, get going.
Steady on.
Oh, he's lost it! Oh!
Not the best idea you've ever had. I'll put you on there.
He's probably with lawn care.
Anyone got a fire extinguisher?
No, get a stick. Get
Where's your stick,
a stick.
It'll burn out in a minute.
Where you
It'll burn
going
out.
for?
It'll burn out in a minute. It's only cardboard, look.
You ain't cardboard.
lawn.
There's all sorts in there.
There goes the tree. Oh, look, some of that is on the tree, isn't it?
Flag's going to go.
Sorry about that. I had to get myself together. Rough business. So, what's gone on here, to get straight to it, is really these people have taken a lot of time. They've been meticulous in constructing the Grenfell Tower construction model that they've burnt on the fire. They've taken time. The premeditation is very clear. The painstaking time that they've gone through to meticulously construct it is evident. The premeditation is there. The time that they've taken to think and to construct, they actually had to physically work on the thing. So they would have been thinking over it over the course of a day or 2 days. So that's clear. In their eyes, with the people that are on the model, it's clear that they view the Grenfell Tower disaster as a disaster that doesn't concern them. One that is focused on people of colour, that represents multiracial, multicultural Britain, which they have an aversion to. These people clearly see the Grenfell Tower disaster as one belonging to multiracial people that shouldn't be in Britain, people that should be excluded from Britain. And you almost can't help but feel that the burning of this Grenfell Tower in this bonfire night display is almost significant of the fact that they feel that God has done the work of the government in murdering these, in expelling these multiracial, multicultural people from Britain through death, that they've finally been expelled, because the laughter at them being murdered, being burnt alive, the joy, the elation is tied in with the fact that these people should be excluded from Britain. They shouldn't be here to begin with. So therefore the fact that they died is recompense for them being here in their eyes illegally, or the fact that they've come. They just should not be here. So that to me is what's gone on in the minds of these sick individuals who have no regard for human life. Their identities are intrinsically linked to racial exclusion. Their identities, the identities of the people who carried out the bonfire night amusement there, the racism, their identities are intrinsically connected to the exclusion of others, to the exclusion of racial others. It doesn't seem that their identities have any meaning in and of themselves. Their identities are intrinsically connected to the exclusion or the oppression of racial others. That is, without the exclusion or the oppression of racial others, or with reference to the negative element of racial others, their identity has no meaning. It has no meaning. So for me, that's the sad thing about it, that without the oppression or the exclusion of others, one's life, one's very core, one's very essence has no meaning. And I think that that's really the sad part about this whole thing. So if you like this post, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.